the situation at Caligon police now. So the police are trying to go back because the situation is getting worse. You can see that they are all revising back to Aguleri side. They are all revising back to Aguleri side. Go the soldiers. They are all revising back. They are all revising back now. As you can see, they are all revising back. They are all revising back. There are serious fights here between Aguleri and Imweri. If you can see it, they are throwing stones to each other. They are trying to destroy things to each other. They are throwing stones to Aguleri people from Imweri side. So the police, they are now running away. Both the army, they are now running away. So if you can contact anybody to calm the situation down. I'm reporting from Onitsha branch, Anya Aguleri. They are destroying their Aguleri signboards. You can see they are pulling down the signboards of Aguleri, which them put. They are pulling the signposts down. So this is the situation now. I'm in the side of Aguleri police. They are putting lights. You can see smoke coming out from one of Aguleri people's house there. Found out on the Aguleri Road. Anya Aguleri, I'm one man report from the channel. Anamona, even busy Quebel. Even busy Quebel. Get no Mongalago. Cabo, Ozo Yago. I'm with Obele Obayala. Them wearing that, them even that no cause for alarm. The police they take over. Police they take over. So on our patrol, I can make sure everywhere that this flag comes. So no cause for alarm for now. On your bonnet, we go in the Kamalo. Even Aguleri in up tower. And the police they take it over. So you're gonna come or down. You need to find out. We have them mud. Let's find out. We have them mud.